Hello lovelies, welcome to our channel Air Varieties. Today we are going to make soy tofu or tofu kebab. I made the tofu in my earlier video, so you can go check it, how to prepare tofu from the scratch. And so this is our tofu kebab, looking great, tasty, delicious. And if you are a vegetarian, this is a wow for you and a plus. If you are not a vegetarian too, you can just take it. So let's get started. You remember I showed you how to make tofu from the scratch, and now we are using that tofu to prepare tofu kebab, or can we call it tofu barbecue? So that's what we are preparing. And I have here my already prepared tofu. Now I preserve it. This has been in my fridge for almost a month. I cover it with water and then put it in the fridge. Each morning I pour out the water and then I replace it with a new water. Now with the tofu kebab, I need my tofu. This is homemade, and then I need my ingredients. These are my special ingredients that I'll be using in my tofu kebab preparation. Yeah, I have my onions, my tomato, my green pepper, my stick, my habanero pepper, and another kind of pepper, onion, and carrots. So these are the ingredients we need to make it. I have here my spices. I have my ginger cube, garlic cube, and onion cube mixed with other ingredients that I'll be showing you later on. So any spice of your choice, yes, you can just use it for it. So this is it. My onion cube is now melting, and I have my garlic cube too. If I say garlic cubes, it only means that I blended my garlic, turn it into cubes, put it in the fridge. Anytime I want to cook, then I use it. They are courtesy of Sweet Ajele. I learned it from there. I have been putting it in polythene containers and then use, but I saw her put it in ice cubes and I tried it and it worked. So let's get started. So you remove it from the water, and then I want to take away any water from it by using my paper towel, or yes, disposable towel. Try to pick up water from it. You can press it. Yeah. Remove the water. So this is what I'm doing right now. I've removed it from the water, and now I use my paper towel to soak out the water from it, and now we are going to cut it into fine rectangular or square, and I'll be adding it to my already prepared spices. The spices are made of pepper, red chili pepper, ginger, onion, garlic, anise, curry powder, if you want it in a cube form, you can do it. I love it when it's rectangular. I'll add a little water. And I'll turn it for everything to be mixed well. I want to marinate it for 20 minutes so that everything gets into it. And I'll cover with, you cover and leave it for 20 minutes for it to marinate. It's over 20 minutes now, and my tofu is already well marinated. So now I'm going to fry. These are the ingredients. I've cut it, and we are going to use it for our kebab. It usually goes well with onion. I try to make it more nutritious, adding carrots, green bell pepper, and habanero pepper. So put it back on the fire and grill it just for a while. So we have finished making our tofu kebab, and it's looking yummy and very, very delicious. Homemade though. The aroma here is great. I hope you can just smell the aroma from where you are. So until we see you in our next video, we say a big thank you for all those who are subscribed to our channel. Our returning subscribers, kudos. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Please like and share our videos to all families and friends. And I will see you in our next video. It's a bye.